What is the creation and destruction of the universe? When rest of the religions discuss about thousands of years of history, Hinduism alone discusses about trillions of years. Carl Sagan, the great American astronomer, was intrigued by the Hindu creation and destruction concepts. Since it deals with repeated cycles of creation and annihilation of the universe, as well as it deals with trillions of years instead of thousands of years like other religions did. Dr. Carl Sagan, in his very popular book Cosmos, wrote that Hinduism is the only religion in the world dedicated to the idea that the cosmos itself undergoes an immense, indeed an infinite number of deaths and rebirths. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe came into existence about 15 billion years ago, after the explosion of insignificant amounts of hydrogen in gaseous format. Hindu scriptures talk about trillions of years, and they state that the creation and destruction of the universe is a continuous cyclical process. It never had a beginning and it will never have any end. In Hindu scriptures, this perpetual creation and destruction of universe is known as Leela. Leela is a Sanskrit word and it means the divine play of God. Leela is very natural outflow, a spontaneous self-manifestation of the divine. Through Maya, magic or illusion, God creates and destroys everything again and again. Bhagavad Gita discusses about the creation and annihilation of the universe in many verses. Lord Krishna said, "In the beginning of time or Kalpa, that is 4.32 billion years, I create everything, and at the end of time Kalpa, 4.32 billion years, the whole creation merges in me. By my will, the whole universe is created and annihilated again and again." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9:7. Time immemorial in Hinduism is described in the format called yugas. According to Hindu cosmology, the whole universe is created and destroyed within time period of 4 yugas, lasting for 43,20,000 years. Like the earth goes through seasons such as summer, spring, winter and autumn, each yuga involves gradual changes from good to bad, in which the consciousness of mankind goes through from golden age to complete dark age. 4 yugas are as follows. Krita or Satya Yuga, 17,28,000 years. Size of each yuga: 4 times Kali Yuga. Treta Yuga, 12,96,000 years. 3 times of Kali Yuga. Dwapara Yuga, 8,64,000 years, which is 2 times of Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, 4,32,000 years. 1 Mahayuga is equal to 4 yugas, which is equal to 43,20,000 years. 1 Kalpa, which is equal to 1,000 Mahayugas, which is equal to 4.32 billion years. Lifespan of Lord Brahma, God of creation. 1 day of Brahma is equal to 1 Kalpa, which is equal to 4.32 billion years. 1 night of Brahma is equal to 1 Kalpa, which is equal to 4.32 billion years. 1 whole day of Brahma is equal to 2 Kalpas, which is equal to 8.64 billion years. Life of Brahma, the god of creation, lasts for 311.04 trillion human years. After that, another Brahma will come. Even Lord Brahma will not live forever. Lord Krishna dealt with the creation and annihilation of the universe in many verses. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 8, verses 17 to 20. Lord Krishna said, "A day of Lord Brahma, the god of creation, lasts for 1,000 yugas, 4.3 billion years, or one kalpa, and his night lasts for another 1,000 yugas, which is 4.3 billion years, or one kalpa." Bhagavad Gita, chapter 8 is to 17. When did Kali Yuga start? Actual date of the beginning of the Kali Yuga remains shrouded in mystery. We have no way knowing the exact date. According to the Surya Siddhanta, Kali Yuga began at midnight 00 hours on 18th February 3102 BCE. The great astronomer and mathematician Aryabhatta also wrote in his book Aryabhatya the beginning of Kali Yuga as 3102 BCE. Hindus believe Kali Yuga started 35 years after the conclusion of the great battle of the Mahabharata, as well as after Parikshit, the grandson of Arjuna, ascended the throne in Hastinapura and became the king. After 4,27,000 years, Kali Yuga will come to an end and Satya Yuga will start all over again. By stating that even Lord Brahma, god of creation, will die one day, Hindu scriptures are telling us that only God is eternal and everything else will come and go. Everything in life is temporary. So, if things are going well, enjoy it because it won't last forever. And if things are going bad, don't feel bad. It can't last forever either. The video you just watched was made by Ed Vishwanathan, who has written and published 3 international bestsellers: Am I a Hindu?, Amazing Secrets of the Bhagavad Gita, and Amazing Secrets of Hinduism, which are used in many universities in USA and Canada and have received rave reviews from many Indian newspapers and magazines, as well as from the Library Journal, booklist magazines in the United States. Treta Yuga, 12 lakhs 96,000 years.